Welcome to Mystical Minds. I am your host, Jamie Gerard, and today I will be reading an essay from Danny Martin Gerard, focusing on our calling. One of my favorite authors and teachers, Neil Donald Walsh, stated in one of his books that the majority of people are spending most of their time on things that don't matter. This is not to create criticism. It's meant to create awareness and to refocus our thoughts and behavior. Here are examples. The gossip column, which holds no depth for change. Violent films, and I'm not talking about action films that actually have a story. I'm talking about those films that are merely violence for the sake of violence. I'm also talking about those posts on social media that insult, ridicule, or only complain about the world and its current condition. What change can occur from complaining about the situation? If you truly want to create change, you want to focus on exactly that. Create change, creating a brighter outcome, in other words. What if most people would be spending their time on things that allow us to grow personally? What if the majority of people would be spending time reflecting and contemplating on topics that would bring peace, happiness, and abundance? What if the majority would meditate on compassion, wisdom, and God? What if most would pray for others' sickness to be healed, or for unity? I understand many people are already taking action, but I agree with Neil when he said most people are not. What we focus on, we perpetuate. The ones in the entertainment industry have a role to create peace, compassion, and inspiration. The ones in the government have a role to create fairness, equality, and justice. We as writers and journalists have a role to make a difference with our words. These are just a few of examples, and there are endless more. We all have a role to play, but if we continue to focus on meaningless things, we get meaningless things in return. If we want global change, we need to focus our time on things that matter. Why are we here? What can we do to help? What can we do to grow as humanity? These are all questions that will create positive change, and we are all authentic and have something to give. Ask yourself these questions, and then ask the world to focus on these questions, and you'll spark change in your unique way. The more people embark on this journey of transformation, the greater the change will be globally. The mission begins with you, and what you can do to make a difference. As Martin Luther King, one of the great men in our history, said, "Take the first step, and you don't have to see the whole staircase. Just take the first step." Thank you so much, Danny G. And thank you everybody for listening, coming back. We really appreciate it. Until next week, have a beautiful day and a beautiful week.